Welcome to AMA AI Tech, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and how they impact creators and businesses. In this review, we're taking a closer look at GravityWrite, an innovative AI-powered content creation platform that's making waves in 2025. As content demands continue to grow, tools like GravityWrite are transforming workflows by streamlining the writing process and enabling users to produce high-quality material faster than ever before. Whether you're a freelancer, marketer, or business owner, understanding how GravityWrite can enhance your productivity is essential. Join us as we dive into its features, user experience, and the impact it's having on the content creation landscape. GravityWrite is an advanced AI-powered content creation platform designed to streamline the writing process for creators and businesses alike. It supports more than 80 distinct content types, ranging from blog posts and social media captions to email campaigns and video scripts. This versatility allows users to tackle a wide variety of projects without switching between multiple tools. Whether you're drafting marketing materials, educational resources, or creative storytelling pieces, GravityWrite's comprehensive template library makes it easy to get started. The platform's intuitive interface ensures that both beginners and experienced users can generate high-quality content efficiently. By centralizing so many content formats, GravityWrite empowers users to maintain consistency and productivity across all their communication channels. GravityWrite offers a robust suite of features designed to streamline content creation for users of all backgrounds. Its extensive library includes over 250 content templates covering everything from blog posts and social media captions to email campaigns and educational materials. Multilingual support makes the platform accessible to a global audience, allowing users to generate content in various languages with ease. Built-in SEO tools, such as keyword suggestions and headline optimization, help improve content visibility and performance online. The AI image generation feature enables users to create custom visuals simply by describing them in text, saving time and effort in the design process. Additionally, GravityWrite's video creation functionality allows users to transform written content into engaging short-form videos, perfect for platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Together, these features make GravityWrite a comprehensive solution for modern content creators. GravityWrite has received positive feedback for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced content creators. Users consistently highlight the platform's ability to generate high-quality, context-aware content across a wide range of formats. Many appreciate the efficiency and simplicity of the dashboard, which streamlines the process of producing blog posts, social media captions, and more. However, some users have noted drawbacks, particularly regarding the pricing structure and the word limit imposed on the free plan. While the comprehensive feature set and real-time writing suggestions are praised, the cost may be a concern for casual users or small businesses. Overall, GravityWrite's strengths in usability and content quality make it a valuable tool, though prospective users should consider their specific needs and budget before committing. Let's see GravityWrite in action. After entering the topic AI trends in marketing into the dashboard, the platform instantly generates a complete blog outline, an engaging introduction, and a concise summary. The process takes just a few seconds, showcasing the speed and efficiency that creators can expect. This rapid content generation means less time spent brainstorming and more time refining ideas. For freelancers and agencies, it streamlines the workflow, allowing them to produce polished, ready-to-publish material with minimal effort. GravityWrite's intuitive interface makes it accessible even for those new to AI tools, while its advanced features support experienced users in delivering high-quality content consistently. GravityWrite has carved out a strong position in the competitive landscape of AI content creation tools. With pricing starting at $19 per month, it is significantly more affordable than many premium alternatives. often costing up to 75% less. Despite its lower price point, GravityWrite offers a comprehensive suite of features, including over 250 content templates, multilingual support, and built-in SEO tools. This combination of affordability and robust functionality makes it especially appealing to small businesses and freelancers who need powerful tools without a hefty investment. The platform's user-friendly interface and real-time feedback further enhance its value, allowing users to produce high-quality content efficiently. By balancing cost and capability, GravityWrite stands out as a practical choice for those seeking to maximize their content creation potential on a budget. GravityWrite has established itself as a versatile and user-friendly AI content creation platform, offering a broad range of features that cater to the needs of modern creators. Its strengths lie in the extensive selection of content templates, multilingual support, and built-in SEO tools, all designed to streamline the creative process. Recent developments, such as the addition of AI-powered video generation, make it even more valuable for those looking to repurpose written material for social media. While some users have noted limitations with pricing and word caps, the platform's overall quality and efficiency continue to impress. For anyone seeking to elevate their content strategy, GravityWrite is well worth exploring. To experience its capabilities firsthand, visit the official website. Check the link in the description below. And if you're interested in staying updated on the latest AI tools, be sure to subscribe for future reviews and insights.